Hey guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you a wig sent from MyFirstWigs. So like always, just in case you are interested, be sure to check below in my description box for links and details to this wig. Now this is a cute little highlighted bob wig, y'all. If you decide to get this wig, it will come in this box, and inside the box came with this lace cap, and that's basically showing the construction of the wig, which I'll get into. And then the wig came in this, but I took it out. It also came with a wig cap, a headband for the lace, and 2 wig clips. Let me show you guys the construction of the wig. This is what the actual wig cap looks like, and it comes with a cool feature which has the open tabs for the ear so that it can fit your ear. So this eliminates trying to cut the lace around your ear to fit it. I thought that that was really neat and something to point out. And then it also comes with this drawstring that can be adjusted to your head. That's what it looks like. And this is literally all the lace you get on the wig. And I do believe this is pre-cut, but the lace blends in really nice. But yeah, this ear tab thing, y'all see that? I'm really excited for this. Alright, on to the wig, because this wig really looks good. Like, I'm not going to have to put in any work. So like I said, this is a bob wig, a highlighted bob wig, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you the construction again. It already comes with pre-cut lace. Here is the pre-cut hairline. It comes with bleach knots. It also comes with 2 combs off to the side, and it comes with a comb in the back. And then here you have that adjustable drawstring that you can adjust to your head size. And then it also comes with this removable elastic band, so you can wear this wig glueless. And then here is the cutout ear tabs, so you don't have to worry about cutting off any lace. It's supposed to fit your ear, around your ear, comfortable. So but this is how it's meant to be. It's meant to curve along with your ear. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and tack the lace down because the wig is too big. But if your head fits this wig, this would be perfect as a glueless wig. Alright y'all, so this is basically it. As you can see, you don't have to put in much work when it comes to this wig. The bob is definitely bobbing for sure. Look at that, you guys. The color is on point, not doing too much, subtle, The cut of the bob is everything. I didn't have to go in and cut it. Sometimes I don't like the little tips that be on the end, but this go round I didn't have any tips. Right here I'm showing you the drawstring that's on the back. You can adjust it to your head size, and this helped a lot. I wish I would have adjusted it sooner, because it fit my head better. The wig fit my head better. At first I thought the wig was a little bit too big, but once you adjust that drawstring, it fits perfect. And I'm just giving y'all looks with these hair clips because I just got them. They was new, so I wanted to try it out. Which one do you like better? I went with the silver Chanel clip, but now that I'm looking at it, I kind of like the Prada one better. But yeah, you can dress this up with some cute accessories, and I feel like this wig is just so sleek and bomb, and who doesn't love a nice little middle part bob? It's the outfit changing for me, but y'all don't mind me. Then I'm just giving you another look with these hair clips. This one is a Chanel hair clip, and I felt like it went with the whole Chanel look with the necklaces and everything. It was cute, but yeah, like I said, you can dress this wig up with some hair accessories or just wear it plain. So yeah, I'm just playing around with hair clips at this point, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this wig, and I definitely love the new feature that they added with the what is it called, the little ear thing, y'all. So you don't have to cut the lace around your ear. It already comes, you know, curved out to your ear shape, which just makes the wig fit better and more comfortable, if you ask me. And right here, y'all, this is how I ended up wearing the hair. I added some curls in it, some light curls. I didn't like curl it too much, as you can see, and I think that this came out so pretty, y'all. I was like, oh my gosh, like I really like the way it turned out. Y'all let me know which look was your favorite. Do you just like the regular sleek middle part bob, or do you like the fact that I added the curls in? Let me know. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you are interested in this wig, all the links and details will be listed in my description box. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.